Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel Phone Tuber. This is a video for the Samsung Galaxy S10 and what we know so far October 2018. Some mobile makers are expected to commemorate the 10 years of Android, with several events coming up next year. Something similar seems to have been in mind also the great Korean company for the 10th anniversary of the Galaxy. This is how Samsung Mobile CEO Dongjin recently said. Speaking to the Chinese media this week, the company's grand nib, according to ICE Universe, we could see three models of the S10 at 5.8 and 6.4-inch sizes, and the 5.8-inch model may come in flat and curved display variants. DJ Ko has also said on the record that the Galaxy S10 will offer amazing colors. This is according to Forbes, which also discovered a leak from OnlyX Steve Hammerstoffer that details the S10's possible design. Hammerstoffer claims that Samsung will deliver no less than 9 new gradient color schemes for its Galaxy S10. Finally, there was a leak for the Galaxy S10 directly from Samsung itself. This was done through the company update file for Android 9.0 Pie. In the leak, which many say was accidental, there are 4 devices marked Beyond. For some time now it is known that this is the code name for the upcoming Galaxy S10. Beyond 0 Samsung Galaxy S10, with a 5.8-inch screen, side fingerprint scanner and a single back camera. Beyond 1 Samsung Galaxy S10, possibly with 5.8-inch screen and double rear cameras. Beyond 2 Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, with 6.44-inch screen and triple camera back and dual camera front. Beyond 2 5G, identical to the previous, but with a modem that supports 5G with Snapdragon X50 or Samsung Exynos 51. Features reported that the device will have an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor below the screen. The in-display scanner could be accompanied by a bold new technology that transmits audio through vibrations in the phone's glass panel. This comes by way of Korea's ETNews, which claims Samsung may rely on this system to replace the Galaxy S10's front-facing speaker if the company incorporates a truly all-screen design. However, the phone could still feature a conventional second speaker along the bottom of the frame. A 3D face scanner. Samsung has been criticized for not developing a 3D face scanner to compete with the Face ID in Apple's iPhone X. But a report from The Investor says that Samsung has partnered with 3D camera firm Mantis Vision to finally get a 3D scanner into the Galaxy S10. You should expect to see the new handset announced at next year's Mobile World Congress show, which gets underway February 25. If Samsung follows a similar pattern for the S10 as did for the S9, the new phone would hit shelves by the middle of March 2019. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos.